Hey, it's JP. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for following along. Based on your feedback, we're going to do something a little bit different this week. We're just going to go for a hike, quiet, enjoy Mother Nature, a little bit of dialogue, and see what this is all about. We're at Saguaro National Park East, and today is a great day for a hike. I'm filming this on the 18th of January. It's 7:30 Mountain Standard Time. 35 degrees, I think. I'm at the Douglas Springs Trail. It's been quite a week. Death in the family. Major restructuring at work. Whole bunch of stuff going on. It's been quite a year. Then I remember it's the third week of January. That's alright. Wanted to keep it simple today, so I'm back at the Douglas Springs Trail. Gorgeous, a little chilly. It'll warm up as soon as the sun peeks over the rincons. We're headed up to Bridal Falls. Doubt there's any water. Might be. We'll see. But it's a good day just to get out there and enjoy the trails. Sun's gonna peek up right through there in about 20 minutes or so. Saguaro's pointing the way. Doesn't happen all the time, just this time of year. Sun's coming down just a little bit further. Down the Santa Catalina's. Mount Lemmon right over there. When I hike these trails, I tend to do it in a loop, and I call this the back way, simply because not as many people on this part of the trail system. The Douglas Springs Trail is the main one, and people tend to just go up and down. So this year marks year number 4 living in southern Arizona. And even though it's been 4 years, or just about 4 years, I wake up, look around, see the mountains around us, the sun shining almost all the time. Can't believe that we live here. It's just so beautiful. I grew up in the Lake Ontario snowbelt. For those not geographically familiar with the Great Lakes, that would be upstate New York, above Syracuse, New York. Looking back at friends' photos from the past couple of weeks, I think some friends have like 60 inches of snow on the ground since the first of the year, which is awesome. I used to love playing in the snow. And growing up in the snow belt, I always liked lots and lots and lots of snow. It was impressive. Storm chaser part of me really enjoyed chasing blizzards, believe it or not. Not the easiest thing to do. It was kind of fun. But if I were to admit it, I do miss having snow experiences, but I don't miss the constant cold. I like the snow, don't like the cold. We're at the Wild Horse Trail right now, which we're going to go up the Three Tanks Trail. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, time for another sunrise check. Getting closer. Santa Catalina's and Mount Lemmon and all that. Full sun right now. Rincons, we're still in the shadow. However, it looks like it's going to peak up very shortly. If you look right there. Yeah. We're gonna head towards the Carrillo Trail. Sun's still coming up over the rincons. Fortunate is the person that sees the sunrise. Okay, so we're coming into where the Three Tanks Trail and the Carrillo Trail come together. Coming down into a wash, and there's one of the tanks. Remains of a tank. And a horse visit. And then there's actually a deer scat. Alright, Carrillo Trail is there and there. So the Carrillo Trail is tricky because it goes over this way and up that way around the tank and keeps going that way. This is where I just came down, the three Tanks Trail. And if I spin around, follow the finger, fickle finger of fate, that is the Carrillo Trail. That is a wash. And then Simon just looked at, and then this is a Three Tanks Trail. To give you an idea of the experience of this trail, I am 2.5 miles into the hike and I have climbed about 650 feet in elevation. It's a gradual climb. It's not anything crazy, but it does get the heart pumping a little bit. It's good for the workout. There it is, Three Tank Trail, Douglas Spring Trail. Car is down at Douglas Spring Trailhead. We are going to go to Bridal Wreath Falls Trail now. So now we're coming up on the trails that go to the falls. We've been to Douglas Springs Campground. I'll put a link in the upper right-hand corner for that. That way it goes to Ernie Falls. I'll put another link here. Then let's go to Bridal Wreath Falls. People make political assumptions when they see a flag, and those assumptions are often wrong. And I think people have forgotten that this flag right here is a symbol of all citizens of the United States. So I wear that flag proudly, proud to be a U.S. citizen, proud to be an American. That's all right. It's so quiet. All right, Bridal Wreath Falls, and not a drop of water. I thought there might be some water because there was some snow at higher elevations a couple of weeks ago, but apparently not. It's already melted off. That's all right. It's beautiful. Love the rocks, and can't wait to come here and look at the falls in the spring. So as I mentioned before, the Douglas Springs Trail is very popular. I've passed probably 40 people since I left Bridal Wreath Falls, and that's after not seeing anybody on the way up. So if you're worried about being alone or something on this trail, don't worry about it, because you are not alone on this trail. I'd like to thank you for coming along on my hike today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and more importantly, I hope you felt the inspiration that I felt while I was on this hike. I really appreciate your feedback through comments, likes, and subscriptions. I'm always glad to hear from you. Remember, fill your thoughts with positive thoughts today so your soul is filled with the colors of white, gold, purple, and silver. See you next time.